Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of my Blueprint Combinator scripting method for Factorio. It's also going to be our last episode since this is the last statement I have to share with you. It's also the most complex statement of the bunch I will be sharing with you. On a further note, if you have downloaded your Blueprint book before the upload date of this video, I would strongly recommend you go back and get a new copy of the book because I have updated the book due to the fact that I did spot a error with the directory statement and how I uploaded it. So just go get a new book. I won't even bother telling you what the errors were, and everything should work out just fine. In any case, let's dive right into getting this whole thing working and how to set it up. Alright? Alright, so if we set up, we are going to do a top statement like we always do. And there are three types of combinators you need to keep track of for these statements. We have the 5 constant combinators that will hold which blueprint we move on to from the statement. We have the 4 decider combinators that decide which ones get played. The 5th one displays by default when the other 4 haven't been played. And we also need to connect the statement up to its input. So I will do that right now. Make sure you connect it via a red line, not a green line. Alright, so now we're all set up. Let me just go through the process of programming one of these statements, and then we could get to a fun little project of getting all 5 of them to play. As I've also preset some blueprints for us to look at to know which ones are which. Alright, so just going to start off with the constant combinators. I want this to print 1, this one to print 2, this one to print 3, this one to print 4, and this one to print 5. Alright, so we're going to be using U values for our example. If U is less than 1, play this. You can also have mix matching signals, so like this would be U1 and then this could be, I don't know, a Z or something. But we're just going to do U values for now. And I'm just going to go into a nice little series of making these all different connections, and this one I'll program manually for U. And the blue light comes on when we are all set up properly, which is good. Alright, so now we got our whole statement programmed. Let's just kind of pick it all up and just start dropping it. Doot, doot. And before we start playing statement, we need to set our U values for what's going into the statement. This one should be a U value of 0. This one's going to be a U value of 1. We have a U value of 2. 3. 4. And that's our 5 different pathways. And firing the first one. U value of 0 gave us blueprint number 1. U value of 1 gave us blueprint number 2. U value of 2 will give us blueprint 3. U value of 3 will give us blueprint number 4. And U value of 4 will give us a blueprint 5. So yeah, there are your 5 pathways. I hope this helped you figure out what to do with this whole thing. Like I said before, you don't have to use just strictly U values or one type of value. Just make sure you don't do, like, say, u greater than, because we don't have a way of storing that information on the statement itself, unlike other statements prior. In any case, good luck with your scripting adventures, and yeah, have a good one. Bye.